Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I have a QVC Elemis Today special value to show you, and I'm so excited. This is such a good skincare set. It's such a mega deal, and I'm just really thrilled to be sharing it with you. So before I show you the products, I'm just going to quickly run through the information with you. So this is a 3-piece collection. It has launched and it is out now. So if you want it, you can literally go and buy it like right now. And it is normally £234 for these 3 items. But as part of the QVC Today special value, it's just £79.95 plus a little P&P. And it's all skincare items, and there is 2 different versions to choose from. There is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream in the regular version, or the Pro Collagen Marine Cream in the ultra rich version, but I'll show you the products when we get there. But yeah, it's an incredible set. Let me show you what you get, and it's obviously an insane bargain. So yeah, I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me get the product out and show it to you. Also, I can't remember if I told you, but it's out now and it ends on Friday. So if you want it, please, please, please buy it quickly, because it will sell out, it will run out, and it will end on Friday. So you really have a very, very limited time to buy it. Such a good deal. So they really only do it for a couple of days. So let me show you the products. First of all, we have the Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. This is such a fantastic range. I've never actually tried this product before, but I've tried other exfoliators, which I absolutely love. And I've also tried other products from this range. So I'm really excited to like merge the 2 together and see how this one works for me. I'm really excited, and yeah, I've got high hopes for it. So that is the first item, and it's a really nice, generous 100ml. Oh, it's a 100ml bottle. Okay, let me show you the next item. And next up, we have their Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. Again, this is quite a new product, so I've not actually tried this myself before, but I have tried items from this collection, and I've of course tried many of their serums, and they are all absolutely incredible. So I'm really excited to give this a go. And once again, it is a full-size 30ml product. And let me show you the final item, because of course it is a cracker. No QVC Today special value featuring Elemis would be complete without their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So as I said, you can get this in 2 different versions, and you can choose which one is best for you. You can get it in the classic version, or you can get it in the ultra rich version. I personally have the ultra rich version because I have complete lizard skin, especially in winter when I don't know, when that central heating comes on and the air gets cold and the heating is on, it's game over for my skin. And sometimes by the afternoon, my face cream has basically worn off and my skin starts to get kind of prickly and quite painful. And I find this is one of the few face creams which really does last all day and keep me comfortable, keep me hydrated. And it's perfect with or without makeup. And it's just a phenomenal cream. I also love the Pro Collagen version. I find that incredible too. But if ever there is an opportunity to get the ultra rich version, I do, because it's just so good. It's so good. And you can also use it as a night cream as well. It's honestly fantastic. Anyway, that is the offer. It is a huge amount off. And as I said, these 3 items should retail for £234, but they're being sold for just £79.95 plus P&P. So it's honestly like a really good deal. And yeah, I just love it. I'm just so excited. Where is the other item? Oh yeah, I dropped it on the floor. Let me get it. Yeah, it's such a good set. I'm so excited about it. And yeah, it's such a good deal. So I thought I'd share it with you. But again, if you do want it, please buy it quickly, because it will sell out and it will end regardless on Friday. So if you want it, hurry up. And yeah, the shopping link is below, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Enjoy.